Bullish iexec cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5.18 and $11.28 by 2030. Market experts accept RLC could reach $5.18 by 2025. Bearish iexec market cost expectation for 2022 is 92 cents. iexec presentation. iexec has been functional beginning around 2016 and has seen huge development in the two clients and applications. As of late, iexec sent off another item called iexec Studio. This is an all-in-one resource for all your decentralized registering needs. From here, clients can undoubtedly fabricate and convey their own blockchain-based applications. iexec Studio makes it simple to get everything rolling with decentralized processing. It gives formats and instruments that simplify it to make and send your own applications on the blockchain. With iexec Studio, there is compelling reason should be a specialist in blockchain innovation. All you want is an essential comprehension of how decentralization functions. iexec Studio is only one of the numerous items that iexec offers. Different items incorporate the iexec Workbench, which assists clients with dealing with their process assets, and the iexec Commercial Center, where clients can trade register assets. With these devices, iexec is making it simpler than any time in recent memory for individuals to take part in the decentralized economy. What is iexec? iexec is driving the way as far as blockchain-based decentralized processing. The organization has fostered a stage that permits individuals to adapt their processing power using shrewd agreements. This makes it feasible for people and associations to trade figuring power on the open market. Notwithstanding this creative commercial center model, iexec likewise upholds applications in fields, for example, huge information handling, medical care research, man-made reasoning turn of events, delivering administrations, and fintech applications. iexec principal investigation. iexec tackles a gigantic issue for the crypto local area by means of its clever decentralized stage, which welcomes the commitment of figuring power and assets. With the development of the crypto market, there is no question that iexec will keep on assuming a significant part. One disservice of iexec, and an immense one, is that the decentralization of figuring assets would expand the carbon impression of the crypto local area. Security. With iexec, the limits related with savvy contracts, particularly inside the Ethereum blockchain, and security, network, and versatility will be a relic of past times. iexec conveys the confided in execution climate, which gets code uprightness and security. Joint efforts. iexec has collaborated with Chainlink to consider off-chain figuring. Was an establishing individual from the relationship for the improvement of computerized resource, and added to the coding of the Avalon project. iexec has joined forces with Nash, MoonPay, Kaiko, and Argent and Partic in Google and NVIDIA programs, among others. iexec has banded together with Intel's advances and has the sponsorship of the French SEC. These organizations add to the strength and reasonability of iexec. iexec current cost. iexec is as of now worth $1.15 USD. RLC has moved 2.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,766,843. iexec is as of now positioned 170 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $93,256,060 USD. There are a few motivations behind why the iexec RLC esteem is supposed to increment before very long. To begin with, the organization designers are continually chipping away at working on the stage and growing its capacity. This will make it more alluring to clients and financial backers, prompting more interest for RLC token. Second, people group financial backers have shown their trust in the task by putting huge amounts of cash into it. This shows that they accept that the venture has great long-haul potential, which will again prompt more interest for RLC token. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous iexec market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. iexec Value Forecast 2022. iexec, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The RLC cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.73. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.61 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. RLC is supposed to have a base worth of $1.38. iexec Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, iexec RLC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of RLC will before long outperform $2.88. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the RLC's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, RLC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.30 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.53. iexec value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4.03 and RLC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. RLC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.68 and a low of $3.45 in 2024. iexec value expectation 2025. Assuming iexec effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the RLC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, RLC will be green in 2025. The RLC is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.18, with a base cost of $4.61 and a typical cost of $4.84. iexec value forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the RLC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.99 by 2026, with a base cost of $5.76 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, RLC has a greatest value worth of $6.33. iexec value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7.14. On the off chance that RLC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $7.48. Neglecting to assemble the help RLC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6.91. iexec value forecast 2028. While RLC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8.06 and a yearly cost close above $8.63 in 2028. iexec value forecast 2029. By 2029, iexec will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $9.21 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $9.79, averaging out at $9.44. iexec value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme RLC cost in 2030 is projected to be $11.28 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $10.82. And, with regards to blockchain innovation, there is a great deal of potential for change and development. iexec RLC is one organization that is attempting to carry this possibility to completion.